You start poop
Me
up
no
in
run
your body,
nasty
you have
joke.
to smell, but if your beard and dry out your bottom,
Poop a ear,
you
me love.
smell
Poop
not
now
there.
left no scent, me dear. You know when body stink when you sweat up, me love and walk on and walk all day, me love and do all for activity. That's when the body becomes sweat up. And we
And
have
then
a
when
little
you now
fountain smell, and you know you
clean your
have time to
bottom
go
good.
bed. But if
You
when a
notice
beard
that's why
and
Muslim
support,
don't dry them body, them wash out them body. Muslim
all right,
people
put
wash
away
them
the
body.
thinking. Put away this thinking body out tight. You see, when people are going to prepare for sex, is a different level of things. You take care of yourself at that time and make sure you present yourself now with so the boy. You know, no, you can please the man or the girl or whoever you have to go with.
That is
Yeah.
true only because when you go fuck now, you know,
A
so you
different
got
stuff when
beard
you
and
go fuck.
extra body
Not too much
wash
shit
and
you have in
all
your
of that.
body wall, me love how your pussy wants stink or your body wall want rank. When you go fuck a different scenario.
Nika, we mean some people body smell through them clothes. Me can't bother this.
Them people come like them and do it. Me never do it in them body well, you know.
Close by your yard lane,
Some
me
of
love. Somebody you know your yard talk.
some of them I take right now them body.
Only
Oh, they
that's
know
only
that.
chromas. That's what I'm gonna tell them. They have to wash and dry their body properly. It's just
You
like
have to
said your beard
clean,
and you don't dry
girl.
your arm properly. It a go sweat. You have to dry your body properly.
Listen, you see when a person come in your yard, they will discover how you take care of your blood class self. When a person come in your yard, then you know how the person take care of themselves. If your yard nice and clean and smell fresh, you know, see you want a good person, my love.
Yeah,
But
because
one
them
girl,
always
you
tell
to
us
be
say
a
your
fuck, me love,
bathroom
no
clean, your
problem.
bathroom and your kitchen
Bathroom
and your
take
living
Bathroom
room.
and
That's
kitchen
supposed
must
to be the
always clean. I always
that's
tell
supposed to
everybody
be
with
the
their
cleanest
yard that
place
come
in
on me,
your
bathroom
house,
and kitchen must
especially your
always
bathroom.
clean.
But that's why
I'm
them
glad me
said
a
nobody
clean
want you
girl.
to say you're dirty, them got your bathroom first.
Yeah, man, bathroom and kitchen must always be on fleek. All if it empty, hey, J the Royal.
So
Why the
for you
person
got the
come with
yard.
that batty
For you got
argument?
the for you got the yard and
As
the
them,
yard dirty, me love. For you got the yard and the yard clean, me love. And inside of them blood clot dirty. Nasty.
but just that's why you say most of the time when you got nobody the first thing you say, can you use the bathroom? Then you start judge them from the bathroom, and then when you see the kitchen, you can't say, all right, the bathroom, you know, you're a dirty girl because, all right, look at this, right? When
Batty
time
not
when
for
you
eat
got
pine
public
blanc. Batty for
bathroom,
blood clot and I'm Tanya. Then if
No,
girl,
Batty
the
can
boy say
eat.
man shit and piss for him, I will I go circle with it, my love. But anything else you want, girl, anything you want to do in your life, girl, do
I
it, girl.
like the
Cause I know you
spliff,
have
yeah,
this.
because
All
this
right,
is
so we know. She has a batty enough in here. Then all you suck off the man bars and a lick
no,
from the
can
string
I
and
get
come
a
up.
lighter?
And the batty only a lick out,
But
same
they
way.
cannot, but they can't eat, you know. But you know why not come sit in a
The
my
ball drop when it what are the
look at
destiny
now.
when she
No
suck
mind
her
that
man
picture
from
me
love the
now.
ball drop down at the bottom and she suck it right off.
Yeah, but look at the onion. This is different onion.
All right, wait,
Yes,
somebody
well on the
Nika
onion,
ask a
onion, well on the
question. We
onion,
make
well on the onion, well on the, let me say something on Fretdem. Yes, I can eat the ass, you know. But we must not eat in the body, you know. When you come blood clot, well, more time man sit in a blood clot. You crazy?
no, me not lie though. That's
We
not
want to
Keep
say
banging.
my
somebody
mouth
wants
and
to
up
know
on the foot
why
one
Maggie
time.
get in a bottom. How come Maggie get
Banging
in a
have you close
bottom?
to the
Of course,
body.
yeah, you about that part, they say magic get in a bottom. Of course, yeah, you about that. Wrong
No,
somebody.
well, I don't know if I
I
work
mean,
about too much sick. I will for bars in Jamaica, or wherever, and then I find a lick off. And the bar, remember some man bars big and long, you know, when them sit down in the bar say, suck
But
this.
some of them are
The
biggie
ball drop
bars.
right
Some of
down
them
at
are
the
say them bars
body.
are slim shot.
I am killing me.
somebody say, of course, man, you about the magic part.
You're right.
No, me yes said no one time me I see one video, right? And me see the
They must
man
say
I
me a
take
clean
Maggie
girl, you
Joe
know.
time cocky. But me think say because he must be
I
going
read
a
the man name about the
feces
man pussy and
without
him
a
batty one, my
condom.
love.
Them say shit it, them say worm
Man
in
love,
a shit
man
now.
love me about woman body.
Let me tell
Man.
you, when you're in love with somebody, my love, it's just a different level.
Well, me I guess
And I like you
O'Neal
go walk on them out everybody batty wall or everybody
is not
pussy wall.
saying
You
love. I guess
understand?
when you start name the body, you fall in a love. You not turn up in a love again. You fall in a you start drop all your face in a body. No, sir.
I got that batty is real. You're doll. Doll, better go to the hospital take out the run about a years.
Dolly Tutu say Maggie Jean Batty is real. I mean, I know me. You're very sent to call Maggie out a smarty Batty before. I mean, I
Yeah.
wonder how is that? Unless the
Well, a
person must say
couscous that, my
right. Me no
love.
understand.
Couscous bring
And
anything. Why some people
it's the
must smell
first time
exactly
something.
like shit right through the day. They must
Because
smell
them
like shit
mouth
because
a
they
bat
not brush them
just
teeth and brush
girl.
them tongue.
Unruly because all them have a batty mouth. Them just continue eating batty. Just like come here one boy tell a girl say
Not a
she
batty
don't
make
know if you
nobody
use
mouth
her
stink. If you don't
pussy.
take care of your mouth hygienely, it's going to smell. Your tongue is the
Mm-hmm.
main target. Cause some people don't like brush them tongue, cause but it's too hot. I don't even
True.
floss, you know, you know, no dirty teeth in the root. Floss
But
out
them
your
have
root.
tongue cleaner. Them have tongue cleaner yourself. You have $5
Brush it
for a
with a
tongue
good toothbrush.
cleaner.
You know the
But you,
things there.
yeah, push all the
Clean your
toothbrush
mouth.
down in your mouth.
What
But
you do
it's
with your
not
mouth
that
has
clean.
nothing to do
Some people
with the
don't brush
result
their
of
teeth
smelling. What come
properly.
out of your mouth.
That's the thing. You put all the toothbrush down in your mouth. You make it with the
As we do, you have to detox your body sometimes. Detox your body by getting up in the morning and drink 2 or 3 glasses of water, my love, and then you wait 5 minutes, then you go to the bathroom and flush out some of them toxins in there. And you can cut up cucumber and alkaline and put in water and then drink it in the morning.
Cucumber, water, and
Lime
lemon,
and
and
the
them
things
something
them,
there.
lemon and the things them,
But a lot of
everything.
people don't know, say you must drink water enough to help build up the toxins. You know, say when you drink water, you don't have no smell when you start drink water.
Yeah, but remember,
If you
water
smell,
wash out your system, you know. Remember, the water wash out your system.
Julie, Buenia man, this in Tanti Julia 2 time, and come on, kind of person come up with this long paragraph about blood. What you say?
Magazine earnus cause infection of the urinary tract and the gastrointestinal tract. Can occur.
No magazine not in a no magazine not in a
yeah, that's
probably the big belly girl and magazine not them.
Never hear somebody come out and no Batty wall yet. Unfortunately, I hear that.
Maybe big belly girl them.
So why not come out and give them the clad? They might have blood clad. Why not come out and give them the girl them?
Let me tell you now. I told the gay people now come out and talk fairly how all of this work. You feel me? They make cause straight people curious. I want to know everything how gay life work, and you know, especially when it come on to the sex part.
Only chromas, that is true. But you have Batty man, if you don't take care of yourself, you go stink. Just like real people, you know, take care of yourself.
Anybody can stink. Batty man or
you know, have nothing
straight
to do with your
matter what you be,
lifestyle. Anybody can stink if you not take care of your body properly.
If water lock off and like that, a couple months,
but O'Neal and Destiny, right? I always hear them say Batty man is the cleanest.
I don't like that.
You just see me when they go to always hear them say Batty man clean. So me not understand.
Straight people really have straight people with clean, you have straight people with nasty. Same in a Batty life, nothing not change.
Some of them Batty man have blood clot. Then some of them nasty. Some of them nasty,
You got to need no $700 for the detox for love. And then put up some lemon in some water and drink it every
morning. My mouth is not a 24-hour toilet. Because it's in my mouth. It's a toilet for my mouth because it's in my mouth.
Almost RT spelling me come with $700.
Hey, yo.
So New York can sell spell another so. So New York can sell spell for $700. I tell people about them can't get detox for $700. They want to scam the people. New York go sit down.
Nobody comes to my mouth after my mouth 24-hour toilet.
No, sir. No, Destiny, you're right. Nobody shitting in your mouth, shitting in what?
$700 for detox.
Yeah, you could
$700 for detox.
The first time I get Batty wash, the first time I get one Batty wall, eat out and I sit and I love and I get so afraid.
Let me tell you something, Destiny. The first person ever name out, and I mean, somebody younger than me, I couldn't believe it. The boy come up and name out, and I'm like, what is that? First time it happened to me, I feel good.
And you feel good only when man have your
It
battery
feels good.
climb
And I'm
wall.
clean and comfortable. I'm supposed to feel good. I never have no shit and no excitement and no stain and no grain and no smell. Clean. Me young and clean, so there's a difference. When you're young, your skin tight and your body just firm and you're sexy up and your muscles just cock up. So but the jaw just firm, the guy, the muscle and I go so bit. Yeah. Different scenario. If you're sexy, the boy will do the things with your body. That's I want
Oh my God.
Once you're sexy, the boy will do the things with your body. I never go one time I post everybody's time, man.
They know that the boy having tongue underneath me and me say put it on me and me love and me a white pan it you know.
And I'm one girl.
White pan in blood clot. Oh, me say yeah. Every time I want me pussy me every time I want me pussy good and make me want every man me pussy. I like it. It's nice.
When my pussy good, no man.
Pussy good. But me nah I'm no shit. I'm not gonna shit. That is blood clot here. Bullshit. Shit under your pussy, or shit under your mother.
This thing to the boy name my pussy good. Listen, if he's a good body boy, you know, so to clean up your body. So when a man a
Yeah.
come through, the man don't displease. Come on, I go like, well, if boy, I'm a fuck me love, I mean, no, that never go back. Black them number. Disappointment. While they put
Jesus.
to show me love, and you want to put them all 100
O'Neal.
times, the boy they clean. You
O'Neal.
know the boy they don't give no bad
Jesus.
O'Neal.
vibes.
O'Neal. One time I go
Mm-hmm.
one man yard. I'm tell him man, me collect my money, you know, $400. Listen, you
But
know,
quick for
1
finance
hour.
says, oh, my mom is calling.
Hold
There's
on,
something wrong
O'Neal.
with her.
Well, I tell you what I'm on here, I tell you what going no. I got the man yard, Lord God, when I see the condition of the man and the man batty wall.
You're
I
right.
say, look here, stop my dick. When I see the condition, I say, look here. I take up my
Don't
phone and go like,
destiny.
come on,
Switch
pay.
topic. Switch
Hold
topic.
on, stop in there, I take up my phone, and go like, come on, come on. I say to the man, say, I have to go. Yeah, the man, I'm going to give back the money. I say, I tell me no man. I'm going to just come out of that blood clot and go away.
So
The
destiny
funny
not
thing,
gonna
man,
give back to wall.
the man batty wall big. And the man, he say, man, nah, it's crying, it's Lord, you couldn't take it, not take that, it's not funny. My place have a clean and pretty, my love. It's like it's
So you say
out
Destiny
here,
and
so.
Batty hold us and hope up on
My
No man,
yourself.
you have
my
some
place
people out
have
there,
a clean and
Fretdem.
pretty, my love. Me not take
Fretdem.
nastiness.
You have
Yeah?
some
Me not
batty
take
man out there.
nastiness.
Well, on the Fretdem, you have some batty man out there in a real life. Will live for cocky and them walk and take them have some blood clot. They will
Yes.
be like a cow foot.
Jesus. Big.
But if they are
You can't
Panama
be.
one time, girl, I'm a book one hotel
Only
girl, and
yellow.
me want morning in one room. Me a pass through and me want morning girl. I'm go crack the door and look like the one old man. Me and my friend named Courage. You know Courage Destiny.
Yeah, courage of Switzerland.
Me say me and Courage crack the door and we look at one old man in there, dig out him all the one blood clot. The girl, me say so I'm sitting, me see a drain out of the man, me say girl, my stomach sick for about a month.
Oh my
Girl, me say
God.
me run
Them
and
terrible.
scream.
So you say my fucking own self and I behave so?
All right, when we realize that Panama, the boy them from down the country and fire them come up in the city, come do the freaky things them. So them bought the hotel, cause the hotel them cheap like $15, $25 the things them. So them bought them and the beer fucking at them girl. When they pass through me, just hear beer, beer fucking go straight down to girl. Everybody make a different sound. So sometimes
That's what I mean.
what them do, them left the door open
No
because
boy
them
can't.
freaky like that.
Me say
Them left the door
Fretdem. No
open, so
boy
if you
can't go
pass
on
and
a
you're
night
freaky
blood.
like them, you're going to go join them, my love. But that them do.
Fretdem. And
Oh
any
my
man can
God.
Fretdem. It's not any man can fuck me. That's why me glad me fuck them. If you back to big, me not fuck your blood clot. Me tell you straight and plain. So me not fuck big batty. Me like the tight batty. Me tight batty them. You see the tight batty them. They have a blood clot. The tight batty them nice. Them nice. Me fuck woman every day. The man batty tight. And me say every day me love. Me tell the man say book me. Me no want the big batty all them.
They must
No.
stink.
Me no want
No
them. Me not
man.
fucking big batty. Me
That's
no want them.
why let me tell you something, you know.
Oh
Me
my
don't know what
God.
cause
Yes,
I love cause me
please.
not think that I got ever happen to us, Destiny. Them big batty business they were batty fuck out. Them, you see them people where them sitting there happen to them, yo, them money upon drugs, Destiny.
Me feel like I people me take fuck every day.
Yeah,
I
man,
take
them
some big
depend some
cocky.
hard drugs. Them batty man with
That
them
is
batty
why.
wall near out.
That is why me not take fuck every day. You see me now? One man will fuck me now and me fuck every man. Me can have my big blood clot 12 inch. I can tell me about me become Ben over. And you have to Ben over no blood clot. Me don't know when me fuck man, it just make it feel nice to me. Than when me take it in the ass.
Yeah.
Oh
It feel nice. And you know where though? It turned me over to me for fuck woman. And that you do me.
Oh
That
my.
nice. Yes, me will take dick, but on any man, I go around your son. Oh, me go
You have
and
to have
me go and go here
standards.
already, and the boy is
No, you have
straight.
to have standards, man. That's why so my time I love when we on Instagram, I would tear when I cuss and a class. You know, response kind of boy pay for can call with him.
Me go a man boy, me go one boy here, that boy say me go fuck me. Me see boy cock him say, hey, that now go behind me. Me say, me go behind you. Me check him. Me say, look here, me say him say, I don't, cause I know some transgender they like to fuck man more than take. Only must know that they everywhere. Them
No
like
man,
to fuck the
I
boy
everywhere
them.
that talk my love, the Chinese them,
Everywhere,
and fuck the
transgender
boy
them.
them hard, no my
Then
love.
wait now. One dirty transgender too. Every time I transgender them over here, they love text. You know, when they see you pretty, I go text me. Can you fuck me? Say go and make a man or rub your father, your brother fuck you. I don't fuck transgender. I fuck man. We not do it. You know nice. The part they not ready. Me tell you,
But Destiny, I
fuck you.
thought you take. I didn't know you give.
It's
Ooh,
a
me
new
give more
era
than 10. It's
thing.
verse.
Me think
Oh,
it's
Me
a
so
new
you're
verse.
a
era.
verse.
Well, on
Me
Fretdem, I
verse.
think it's a new era thing with the Chinese them and
And that they
what do you
all
call it? The
about.
Chinese hour. Chinese hour
Of course, we're
with
Tran.
breads. So yeah, what drag
Tran.
queen?
No, trans. Me a transgender. Jack Queen is the one
Okay.
them with the big ear.
So when we realize with the trans them no girl, them not take no fuck girl at the girl at them a tell us them a top. Mm-hmm. Them
Me
not see
love
them on the
give.
side. See girl them have boy them a suck them with some pretty boy. Pretty like myself.
Me love give. Me
Yeah.
like to fuck the
The
boy
girl with the
them.
boy them bad, bow them out.
Since me come
You
America,
know,
me
it's
no
just
fuck out
an
one boy
American thing where
all.
people come and get adapt to the
Since me come
lifestyle.
America, me fuck out one boy all. Me love when the boy say me cocky boy say that too big. I me push up in him, me wind up in him, hole no blood clot.
Take it, girl.
Oh, him
Them
take
love
it up
ball
in
up
him
about cocky
hole.
big, me love, and them will want you see. Them will want you see.
You
You
will
look
want
yourself
to
in
give you
my
some
eye.
fuck, you see. You know the thing when me eat, let me tell you.
If you
Let me fuck
educate
a boy
yourself,
now.
son, man.
You say me fuck a boy now, only. Let's say me fuck a boy now, and me come in. Say me come in a 1 hour. Me cocky now drop down, you know. Me cocky now dead, you know. Me cocky stand up again one more fuck.
I mean that, me
Yeah,
love.
and it stand up again one more fuck. Every minute
Stand
you
up for
fuck
one
it,
next
him nah
2 hours,
dead.
me love. If you beat it,
One more
I
fuck
play
again.
music for you, go down.
Yeah. I
Or
saw
them
me
fi
cocky
big
stand
top
up
and just
again.
like woman.
I drop
No.
her
Let
from
me tell
Jesus.
you. As when we always tell the girl them when the girl them go out, you know, care how much time you change or how much breast and body you put in, you still is a man. You still a go and
Look
fuck, cause you
here.
have the nature for fuck.
Don't suck my cocky or ever blood clot take your mouth out for that cocky. Them box up your blood clot and
Yeah,
kill you. Suck
yeah.
up. Look here, me say suck up my blood clot cocky and take your mouth out for that
That's
cocky.
so hot.
Ooh. You have to suck. No take me
Suck
like when boy I
flavor.
suck off my cocky, me love, and they not blood clot suck. No take your mouth out by it. I
A
kill you.
problem destiny.
Oh?
You ever about
Yeah.
to say 1 hour and a man can only go, cause your man body tired out, you stress him. Stop
Yeah,
stress man,
Yeah,
make the man
destiny,
a bigger
Me
destiny.
bad.
can't go at 3 hours and I pussy and no come out.
Ladies, when you don't
4
stress
hours, 5
man,
hours.
them body break down. Remember, man mind function with the
Me no
sexual
fuck
organ. So
O'Neal.
once you stress the
O'Neal, look
man, all
here.
of that gone, my love. So anything you don't look for the power where you want the
O'Neal,
power
where you
go
there?
cut off.
Me fuck
Once
y'all
you
over
stop
here, me
stressing man,
love.
you get all of the power.
O'Neal, me fuck y'all over here and me flick it up skirt and me blood clot sneakers and me nice blood clot all here drop on me body. And me say, fuck up y'all wall. Oh, fuck one girl right in front of her husband. Yeah, so fuck you see.
Well, since I
Me
start
say,
talking to Jada, I kind of look on transgender a little bit different now. You know, I look kind of look now, man. I say like, I them for the boy, them about me. Well, I'm gonna try it yet. I don't think I'm gonna, but you know. But I me say I go on, and it's straight boy, them I take it and I do it too. I guess it's fun. But that we are
Wow.
do it with.
most of them say they not. Most Jamaicans
A
say
Me
they
don't
lot
not
really
of
do
because
it
them have
things
just
blood
like
going
how
clot.
on
Jada
over here.
Raya
Me
look.
can't manage
Well, I know.
neither.
Alright, just like how Jada Raya look like how she would
So
just up
true,
like
this is
relax.
that destiny.
Well, I know Destiny. It's like how Jada Royal is a perfect example. It's like how she dressed in a woman clothes and she go party and then she come out and she put on her boy clothes and she look cute and look like a boy. People like she will go with it. You understand? But if you're living it right through, you don't know. You know? You have to can switch up, Mr. Come could go, you can just like a boy, me love,
100,
I will blend
100,
in, you know?
100% American. They like when transgender fuck them.
Mm-hmm.
Lord God. Yes.
I
They
wonder how
don't
it
like when
feel.
they don't want a man, you know. They feel good.
No, you see, like me, them now gonna come to me, me love them. I go bun me out, girl. Make one girl text me in that ear, a flat face, makeup, me love. You not to have it tan good, so I have a ear, me love when you smoke high. You good to
They must
go.
fit them all over here. Over here.
You know
Them
have a
just,
tan
me
good
tell you,
long?
only transgender they don't like over here is the
You're
fat
right,
one,
destiny,
them.
you will make man ball out.
Only the fat, they don't like the fat transgender, them.
But they don't like fat people.
Even if you fuck them, they say them back to all up, they don't like them. They be able, you have to magas, you have to see blood clot macaroni in you.
Wow.
I don't know why. They don't like it when you're fat. I think because it's a white country and black people like when you're fat, but the white people don't like when you're fat. But me I tell a man, me like when but there's some of a man one man stuck out my cocky and him a get up. Me say, man say mouth and me say go put back your mouth, Panny. Me say put back your mouth, Panny. You can't just stop suck. Where they? You have to suck off that blood clot. You have to name off that. Me eat when all my cocky suck in a 1 hour. Suck all my cocky for 3-4 hours. Me nah come all now. If me want come, me can't come. But me no want come. And me no want do it cause me like it. You understand me? Me like it.
Destiny, they might have lockjaw.
Oh, man say him out there. Me say no suck it. She call him Fretdem. Me treat them and me treat them. Me love Fretdem. Only send up on a call. Me treat them. And me tell them say, you know, me tell them Fretdem. Me tell them say me Me's a top. That time me's a bottom. Me's a verse.
Oh.
You can see me have my big blood clot 12-inch. They must been over. One time I take up my cocky, my lover, for go fuck one man, and the man say, please, I will just suck it alone. The man say, I will suck it. I can't take it. It's too big. And me I say, no, I will want to fucking, and me I try push it in, and it now go in the way big. The way my cocky big, me love it now go in. When he left on a car, Fretdem.
If I laugh at dead people, you hear it.
Me no run joke.
Oh,
When you come out to fuck, me no run joke. Me can't come in at any if I heard to say me don't fuck you all 6 times now. Me dick nah dead. You see like how some people dick dead and them drop down and them ball out when them come, oh, all I say me come normal. And me come a lot. You understand? Me come a lot, and when me come, me cocky me still want more fuck. Still want more fuck, me love. Me cocky still step up. Me go America, me love when me fuck blood clot boy over there, me love. And me fuck the boy 3 times. You see now, me cocky not dead, you know. And the boy I say, oh, me cocky not dead. And me tell him me have good energy. Yeah, me tell him. Let me say, me like when me but with the shit part Fretdem, no boy can shoot in my mouth.
No, sir, not me.
Not me.
Only say you damage your brain. Dolly Tutu say you make you nervous.
Me say,
if you not shake, Dolly Tutu say if you not shake when you come.
Shake what? Let me shake.
Shake and ball out. Shake and ball out.
No, me not shake and ball out. Me love like the girl them, like the man them. You can't do that. You mad? No do that, me love. What have me not do? We come normal.
Me nah have nobody piss and shit for me, not me.
Me nah have nobody piss and shit for me, love. You crazy? Shit in that off mouth. After my mouth on a 24 toilet where you pass every day.
You must be fucking crazy. Me never want to see your shit much less.
Me see a blood clot pour down road already, and me walk me love par road. And me see blood clot shit par road, and me ball. Me cry living that water par live. And if you come make man shit in my blood clot mouth. My mouth. Crazy. Jesus, hallelujah. My cold bump to take my body. My mouth. After my mouth on a 24-hour public toilet.
Nope. Can't nobody shit. No, I'm listening. Me none of them something shit for me.
That is why me have to douche. Cause if me no want a man to fuck me love when they take out them cocky and shit. You crazy? Me have to douche. You have blood clot girl shit, man, you know. You have to douche. So that is why I make sure douche me love, because I don't want to smell no shit. Man, when them have blood clot for me pussy clean. When them have put my wall clean. The thing is I don't understand. Me hear them say Batty wall can come. Oh, Batty wall can. You ever hear that Fretdem?
Batty will come. Yes, I must see water shit them and shit up themselves destiny.
No, when only must know me say Batty wall can come. Them say when them push the cocky far down and they touch the wall path. Only they say Batty wall can come when they see the white cream. They say all and only they say when they see the white cream, they never come, Batty wall come. Something go some. And then they can come alone. So are they cream that? Jesus.
Oh, Batty wall come. Batty wall, any come Batty wall come out.
Even with girl, if the boy come in at you and keep on a fuck you, eventually your pussy go stood up with him come. As you keep on a beat, you keep on a rub the wall of that come together. Come on now. What kind of pussy, what kind of Batty will come? And the man fuck you and come already and him fuck you again and want make your pussy cream. No, I told them the boy fuck them destiny and come in at them pussy and give them a next round so the right up with the rest of come when they didn't even love so you get cream.
Hey, tonight is a night.
Cause that never happened to me.
I never just as girl before, cause I mean like I don't me cut out my facial hair one time, I laser off all of my face, but I get for like my facial hair, so I don't think I don't have no reason for try. But me never just that girl before. I think I would look pretty though.
What do I just like? You were so pretty only if you got just like a girl and you're so cute.
And every time I walk and I touch you up, can I see most of the girls them just like
blood clot only
most
of
the
boys
boys
already
just like
and
girl. Them walk too obvious, they can't know man them, so I have a time for that.
I say Fretdem. I say only la Bronx already anyway, only pretty love me that I say that feel like me that get the cup.
I said them for dead. So
They go dead out. Looks
I like a boy
just
with,
like
I like a
a
boy
girl.
with feminine but not too overly, not even feminine, flamboyant. You don't have look a girl in this night, but you know you're still a boy.
You like cross dress.
Yeah, you don't have to dress, but just have like a feminine in you. Remember, remind me, just
So
remind me of who
you
you
like
are.
cross dress. The one never just like man and just like woman.
We don't
No,
have to
not really.
overly.
He
I
just
know
You
him to
trying
need
to
be
that
say
in
he
us.
overly
like them a little
feminine.
feminine and masculine.
Me don't want him too overly feminine. Me, I suppose he can go out and look like, too friend or, if
Me
suppose
happy.
we go on straight dance, I'm still got these guys. We suppose can, blend in and enjoy ourselves. Stuff
Man,
like
what
that,
call Jada name over here? Don't call Jada name.
No, they said Jada just like girl and cute.
Jada cute for a band.
Yeah, Jada
That's not
cute.
bad.
Her
Jada play
name
good ear.
with the Fretdem. It is the
Eh?
shit. We didn't need a boy when name Fretdem or Fretdem.
We can start
Fred,
with
Fretdem.
Fred,
names.
Fred 25.
Fretdem. With this shit where him eat. Oh. I'll tell it if you go solar.
Now, boy,
And
must
you
say
need
I'm husband. All when
Everybody
I
man once in a
husband.
them lifetime and get shit up. It no matter who you go with, whether young or old. Some people just
yes,
carry
but
some
not
body
in my
weight.
mouth. Not
They
in
not
my mouth.
not in your mouth, but so they fuck some boy me love and them just never some boy just well when you fuck them and them just come and probably all on the spot. You meet the boy, and look on each other. Like some knows well if a girl at Jamaica fuck a party. You
So
go party,
Destiny
but what the
Latina
hell?
okay. Somebody accept Latina okay. Me don't know Latina sent it 19. You know hear about it on here?
What?
Latina sent it 19 pill last night. I say
Oh,
me, make sure take it. Last night me a Latina cuspan live. Latina say one more walk out in
did
1
that
billion
cost
and kill
last night?
myself. Yes, Latina say one
I've
walk
been
out 1
laughing at
billion
the
and kill.
pine like that before. Cause me that
Listen
get in
now,
and
listen what she
incident.
say. She said she want me walk out in 1 billion and kill myself. And the same time, after she take the 19 pill, and when them say she drop down, the same girl she said she want to walk off of the building and dead is the same girl called police to rescue her.
Yeah.
Yes, I make a
So,
post one of the friends say she never dropped down a lie.
mm.
So she just want people to
All
blame
right,
me.
I don't know what to have yes to them, but let's bypass that. I mean, I really know shit.
So I tell
I
me
hope
that
she's
she
safe
okay, she
though.
alright. She probably depressed. I depressed, she
Remember when you
depressed.
take hormone pill, you make you become depressed.
I me tell people and they don't know. It never made me depressed yet, but she probably me and her body
Because I know
different.
a few girls who take it and it make them become very depressed and angry. Probably with her, it doesn't make her angry, but it make her depressed and feel
It makes you
moody.
depressed, probably makes you
And it
depressed.
make you
Hormone makes you
suicidal
depressed.
as well.
Never made that. Me tell me love and that. Me
So
tell
she
me.
need a therapist or a counselor because you have to take them pill, you have to have doctor and therapist.
She has therapy, so me don't know. It makes you
Yes, so she need
depressed.
to talk to her therapist. Everybody
That
boy
never
need a therapist.
me have hormone doctor. Me don't know when me go doctor, me love them say my body. Them say my body is different because them say normal when people take it, they want to fight other people. That never happened to me yet.
Well, your body is different, like they said.
When
You
me
react
did the year I take it before,
different.
everything did not go. Since me go to America, everything stopped. How many I get to America? They say me have to get before me get there. So I tell them say me not kill myself. So me don't know. She alright though, but she supposed to
When I take woman hormone, you
she
know what me
not.
go pharmacy go get? You know what me go doctor go get? Testosterone. Hey, sexy slim. I haven't forgot about you. But may I tell you, I'm gonna go to pharmacy, I'm gonna get testosterone. I'm used to take it in my arm like every like 2 times every week. Why testosterone do actually make you more masculine? I wanted that, my love. So I go doctor, I tell them say I want that, and them test my body and tell me how much you need, and them say yeah, your body probably need more. And I mean, not like my voice was really fine and it helped. My voice heavy and rough. I'm gonna grow more hair and look more masculine on my body and the things
When
them really
when
good.
when Latina they take the hormone pill,
But you can't take too much because make your glands in your body get too big.
when Latina
So
they take the hormone pill, Latina they drop down. When people don't understand, Latina did have one sickness, remember for gallstone or a hernia, you know. But she have one for a long time and they have to do one surgery and cut it out. And for Latina they take the hormone pill, my love, and so they drop down. So that's why they have to take her off of the pill. Like if the
hormone
pill
makes
is
you
too
up there
strong
so
for her.
ungrateful. Oh, what shit about? Anyway.
I think they want to say them say my love. Anybody give me no one cuss about in the class, then If you give me $20 now, and you're going to tell the world, say, give me $20, try know you get class. So me now look.
Yeah.
Me know the thing is this, Latina need to tell people, say, she cannot, people are blame me, say, me make Latina take 19 pill. And that she need to address on live.
All right, this thing, enough of that. Let's go back to our little
No, me
topic.
not cuss with her or anything. Me just talk on heel. Me
Come
not
here,
cuss. Hello,
so,
when she drop down, you know, I am the only one who call police and get police her name, you know. I am the only one who look out for her, you know, all of them.
so you're the girl.
Me say, listen to me.
Last day, I said the same girl where she said she want to drop her back for chocolate, don't me love her to call the police. Are you the girl?
Yes, I mean,
Oh,
me I try to tell her.
damn. Girl,
See,
you see, I mean,
call
I'm even
police.
keeping up.
Me have a tape of me call police.
Are
Because
you
I
the
rescue her last
girl?
night.
My
When
God.
Emily and Kiki, they probably have a smoke and a laugh for her. And me was the only one with them and my friend. I was the only one who do it.
So much take a charge our brain and come back. All right, mama, plug it in good.
You understand me? Me is the only one who call police. And I worry myself and I say, Lord Jesus, I call how much people, me and people are not friends, that's what me all call. Me have to
When
take
I live in
everything.
Switzerland, you just live good and done here. I mean, like,
Yeah?
my
And I
God,
mean,
me
say I
not pay
want
a
to
cost,
walk
That
my
out with a
love.
truck and
to
dead,
be
you know.
that talk about earlier too.
Yeah, cause I to a couple on alone over there, so if in case down the one and down need the help. And like in New York, you can't cuss a girl and go choke her. You know, you're so full of Jamaican, you can't always get help. My love, if you go to stand job down a Jamaican, I run to your
No, me let
rescue.
me
And
drop
they
down now because
everywhere.
my
Exactly,
game
you know,
mother.
the language over there
Yeah,
so
but
different.
over there, so no, you know, not to try to keep
When
her
me catch
alive.
corona,
Cause
me
that
love
one
me call
alone over
my
there.
when me catch corona, me call my gay father, me love my gay father call who call me love.
See the case corona for true?
Yeah, for one day.
I said I post a video and a woman kiss her teeth.
Then me in a cause I blind in my class. They say don't post the video. Because everybody say don't. Them come from my life and I talk about it, so me cuss
Me
them.
a woman I
And the
said,
same,
Destiny,
listen to me.
you can't leave us.
That's why me
Press the
very
button.
strong. I'm going to tell
Press
you how
the
me very
button.
strong now.
Me not
The
lie.
same time I catch corona, I'm going to tell you something, that's why I'm strong. The same time I catch corona, I come out the same day. You know, so the same blood clot, I come out. And I say much as I'm sick to blood clot. I 15 girls me tear down on the internet one time. Me them tell you, you got like 15 of them me tear down.
You have to
And if
keep
I
the
next thing
energy.
you
You
see, me
can't go
say
to
sick
bed and
dog.
we dead. But look how
Oh, them
Corona
me
virus is not
respond.
like one time. You know Corona catch you one time you're dead.
No, the body clean. Remember some of them
Because
dead. Them
Nicholas
blood
get
bitter.
Corona, Nicholas come around me for the 10 day with them time for go and go rest, my love. I'm not catch
And I
no
never 10 day,
Corona.
I never 10 day, I one day me have it for.
They get Nicholas 10 days, so Nicholas will go on for 10 days.
One day. But Latina, all right, me love Latina good. Latina not take not a pill alive. But she all right, she good. And you see, the dirty manager will say my Latina manager don't come to correct Latina last night.
Sorry, baby.
So good, Destiny.
And he say, why my walk out? You should have come apologize to me bad too bad. Fear is fear, people, right? You should have come apologize to me.
Who?
Well,
I say this.
Destiny, no, it not go happen,
You
so.
should have come. Because if you want me walk out in a building, me love. I got do it, you know. I got sure her is a real person to her. I got do it. Look into it, man. I got it.
Especially, yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
Especially on one big girl. I'm not feeling black girl. A Latina,
Me no
I look
come,
at artist business.
me no come
Show
and
and
tell
do a
people
little
say,
music and so
me
forth,
no
you
come
know?
and tell people say me a dolly, me love. Me no dolly, I try. Me no pretty. When God say me pretty, me pretty. That's why me dey for my hormone.
I'm
I
black.
mean,
I
I
hate
come
that
out for
phone,
my
you know.
hormone.
I'm ready to light a blood clot go. How could I cause this? Almost show nasty my face. It feel literally see your face. Hopefully I'm one day a studio and I might make talk but I'm still right just some cock it up.
Latina song them nice.
Yeah, I
Them
love her
nice.
songs, I'm not gonna lie.
But certain things you
Yeah, I
cannot
like
do.
them too.
You cannot do artists and do certain things that can use against you.
If you like them video when I see your post, me screenshot them, you know?
Oh, Ashley posted on Twitter.
Oh, it up on Twitter?
Ashley up on her page.
Girl, they can't post and send the girl. If you want to be one artist, unless you just want mediocre artist something by Instagram. If you want to be
But
one
I
real
mean,
artist, you know, say.
those was before she really decided that yo, she gonna be an
Yeah.
artist.
Although,
No, I
part
never
though.
before. No, I never before. Because Lassie Daddy go and place go sing, so I never before, me love. After.
Yeah, but I mean before, but now she really going
Before,
out.
like, oh, she has sing now and people get to know her and them stuff
Yeah,
there.
that's what
No.
I'm saying.
But she could have
Yeah.
taken them down, right? She could have taken down the page.
You see, she wasn't thinking like they was gonna come back to, you know what I mean?
So
Yeah,
you
but that is
find them?
public. So she said before then. I got a dark the
Oh,
live
it's
at then.
before.